Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat and welcome back to Fiesta Wairarapa Pinoy Radio. Sincere apologies lang po. Wala po kami last week, all three hosts. Especially kasi long weekend po yun. So Easter Monday po yun. So everyone was out of town. But anyway, we're already here, back to entertain you from 4 to 5:30. Today's date, April 28. It's week 17 na po. So this is our week 17 episode. So again, in behalf of my colleagues, our lead host, Atikini Vermeulen, and my co-host, Rica Visperas, welcome back to Fiesta Wairarapa Pinoy Radio. So just to acknowledge our partners, people supporting our Filipino community, of course, Aro FM, Access Radio Wairarapa, the Macedon District Council, Macedon Trust Land Trust, the Pacifica o Wairarapa Trust, the Wairarapa Multicultural Council, Chanel College, St. Patrick's School, and I would like to add the Wairarapa Women's Center as well. And then we have two schools, Chanel College and St. Patrick's School. We also acknowledge our partners, EZ Financial Services by Eric Zamora, Planet Earth Travel and Tours, Palmerston North by Jenny Silapan, and of course, Studio 4 Hair Salon by John Fernandez. Okay. So, as your host, we wish to include a disclaimer that all content we provide reflects our personal views and is intended solely for informational purposes only. This statement ensures our legal protection in the broadcast. So, samahan niyo po ako from 4 to 5:30. So,